baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry, shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on
Uda,
ice. Lucky for
good
you, that's what
afternoon.
I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what
Uda, you are staying with grade 6 English medium class. So today we are going to start the lesson number line. Hari. So unit number 5 is the number line. So I know there are so many new students to the class as well, right? I will explain about my classes. Meanwhile, I'm doing the seminar. Just turn on the chat for a while. Turn on the chat. Chotis, how are you? How are you? Doing well? How are you? Okay. Are there any new students? If you are a new student, put new to the chat. If you are a new student, put new to the chat. Oh, there are so many new students. Okay. Turn off the chat. Okay. Take your notebooks, Muda. Take your notebooks. Turn off the chat. Take your notebook. Right. Write down the topic, number line. Write down the topic, number line. Number line. Take your notebooks. Write down the topic, number line. Write down the topic, number line. Right. The unit number line is your unit number 5. Okay, what do you mean by number line, Buddha? What do you mean by number line? Before I move into number line, okay, just give me two instruments which have been marked with numbers in a straight line. Right, put number one, instruments, right, like this, instruments which have been marked, which have been marked which have been marked which have been marked with numbers on a straight line. Okay. So, Putana, what are the instruments that you know which have been marked with numbers on a straight line? Oh, very good example for that is with a ruler. Just take the ruler. The ruler, you can see the numbers have been marked in a straight line, right? Okay. What about this? What is the name that we call for this, Puta? Turn on the chat. What is the name? We call this as set square. මේකට කියන්නේ මොකක්ද? Scissors, Asha, Hari. What is the name that we call for this? Set square. Hari? Set square කියලා කියනවා අපි. අපි instrument box එකේ තියෙන්නේ පුතේ. Right. So we can say, turn off the chat. Okay, what are the instruments? Let's give some two examples. Example number 1, ruler. Example number 1, ruler. Example number 2, set square. Set square. set square. Somebody has told that scissors. Yes, in scissors also, some scissors, right? Not all scissors. But we just write just two examples, right? Right. Okay, so you can understand before we move into the number lines. Okay, what are the instruments which have been marked with numbers on a straight line? Okay, ruler and set square. We can take those two examples. Right. Okay. Number two, instruments where numbers are marked on a curved line. Number two, instruments to the board, which have been marked, instruments where numbers are marked, instruments where numbers are marked, where numbers are marked in a curved line, in a curved line. Can you see this? So there you can understand the numbers are marked on a curved straight line, curved line, curved line, not straight line, curved line. So what is the name that we call for this? This is in your instrument box. Okay, tell me. Malimawa dagan. Screen it. Turn on the chat. Tell me. What is the name for that? Turn on the chat. Protector. Yeah. Turn off the chat. Turn off the chat. Let's go to the up. And what about compass? Let me show that, Puti. In compass also, you can understand the numbers are marked on a curved line, right? Right. Okay. Number three. Let's go to the number three. Let's go to the number three. Okay. I shall say something like this. Right. Sunil. There is a person called Sunil. Sunil has 5 rupees. There is a person called Nimal. Write down, hurry. Nimal has 3 rupees. Lal. Lal has 1 rupee. Hurry. No, Lal has 7 rupee. There is a person called Vimal. Vimal has 1 rupee. I need to order these amounts in ascending order. So you should understand what you mean by ascending order. Before we go to the number line, there are things that the basic knowledge that we should fulfill. Okay, what do you mean by the ascending order? Ascending order, right? Ascending order means you have to write the values from the least value to the maximum value. You have to write the values from the minimum value to the maximum value. What is the minimum value? 1. Then what is that? 3. Then 5, then 7. So we call this as ascending order. We have written these amounts in ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Writing the values from the minimum value to the maximum value. Write down from minimum to the maximum. Minimum to the maximum. Right? Okay. Okay. There is another person. Anil joined this gang. There is a gang here, no? Anil came and Anil joined this gang, but Anil has just only, then Anil has just only 0 rupees. He has no money. Right. Now write the money all have in ascending order. Right. Now write the ascending order. So you have to write these values and this in ascending order. So what is the minimum value? Right. 0, 1, 7, 3, 5. So what is the minimum value, Buddha? You can understand the minimum value is 0, right? Anil has no money, right? That is the minimum value. So 0 is the minimum value. Then 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. So I have written all values in ascending order again with Anil's value. As you can understand, ascending order. Ascending order. Right. Now you can understand about what you mean by the ascending order. Right. So all numbers I can show in a straight line. But if I draw a straight line, right? For example, number 5. I draw a straight line. Putih. On mathek straight line ekak andin bala. Draw a straight line. In your square book, draw a straight line, right? I put here -1. I put 0 here. 0. So put 1 here after 2 squares. After 2 squares, put 2. After 2 squares, put 3. After 2 squares, put 4. Again, then 5, 6, then 7. Right. So this is a straight line. You can understand this straight line has been numbered. Right. So I need to demonstrate these values on the straight line. So I can demonstrate the values. Sunil value is 5, right? 5. So here it is Sunil. Right? So I can say this is Sunil. The first letter. Nimal. Nimal has 3 rupees. So I can demonstrate here. It is Nimal. Lal has 7 rupees. So I can demonstrate Lal here. Vimal. 1 rupee. So I can demonstrate him here. Anil 0. So I can demonstrate Anil here. So here you can understand, I can demonstrate these numbers in a straight line, right? I can demonstrate these numbers in a straight line. Okay? Right. Right. Now I say, Pute, listen to me very carefully. You have to note everything, right? Listen to me very carefully. Right? Number 6. I say, oh, there is a gang here, no? What is the gang? Sunil, Nimal, Lal, Vimal. Right? So there are another 2 persons come. Right? Ranil. Ranil has no money, but he has a debt. He has a debt of 2 rupees. Again, rupiah dekak kya naya. The meyaran salli naya naya ne. Right? And yeah, Kamal, sorry. according to the tut, it's comma. Right. And there is another person called Ranil. He has debt of ඔය debt කතාව අමතක කරන්න නැත්නම් ඔයාලා පටල ගන්නවා. හරි මම මෙහෙම කියනවා. හරි. Demonstrate -2 -4 0 1 3 5 7 in a straight line. In a straight line, number 6. All right. So how I can demonstrate these numbers or draw a straight line? Draw a straight line, right? Right. Put -5 here. 2 squares -4 here. Square ගන්න නැත්නම් ඔයාලට ඉඩ මදි වෙයි. This is -5. This is -4. Right. So I need to demonstrate that here you can understand පුතා here මේ 0 මේ පැත්තේ මේ -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 මේ 0 මේ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 මෙන්න මේකට තමයි අපි කියන්නේ number line කියලා. For this we call this as a number line. Right? For this we call it as a number line. Then here it is 0. මේ පැත්තේ මේ -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 අරව 1 2 3 4 right. So I can demonstrate the values. I can demonstrate the values. Right. -4 here, -2 here, 0 here, 1 here, 3 here, 5 here, 7 here. Right. For this line, for this straight line, we call it as the number line. This is the number line. So this is the number line. Right. You can understand, right? ඔය 6 7 දෙකම දරුවෝ මෙන්න මේ question එකේම තමයි දාගන්න. හරි. Number 8, right? Number 8, characteristics of number line. Number 8, right? Characteristics of number line. Write down. Characteristics of characteristics of number line. So number one, the starting point is 0. Starting point එක තමයි පුතේ 0 කියලා කියන්නේ. So this is the starting point of the number line. හරි. ඒකට sign එකක් නැහැ. හරි. දැන් අරවා minus values right hand එකේ තියෙනවා plus values නේ. So here plus 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 මේ ඔක්කොම plus values, right? So here, right, starting point is 0. Starting point is 0. Starting point is 0. In brackets, right, it has no plus or minus sign. Number 2, to the right of the point of to the right of the point 0 are plus numbers. So here you can understand. So this is the starting point of the number line. You can understand. Then මේ starting point එක right hand side එකේ ඉන්න ඔක්කොම values plus values. හරි. 0 වලින් left hand side එකේ ඉන්න ඔක්කොම minus values. Right. So write down. To the right of the point 0, to the right of the point 0, to the right of the point 0, point 0 are plus numbers. Are plus numbers. To the left of the point 0, to the left of the point 0, to the left of the point 0 are negative numbers, minus numbers. Right. And the other thing is පුතේ දැන් මේ බලන්න දැන් මෙන්න මේ distance එක two consecutive numbers අතර තියෙන distance එක it is equal පුතේ in a number line. Right? The distance between two consecutive numbers in a straight line, okay, in a number line is equal. Write down equal distance between any two consecutive numbers. Equal distance between two consecutive numbers. Consecutive කියන්නේ මේ එක ළඟ ඉන්න සමනම සංඛ්‍යා දෙකක් අතර පරතරය සමානයි. Right. Okay. Write down this. Characteristics of number line. Turn on the chat, Pute. Could you understand everything I have taught you so far? What do you mean by the number line? You can understand, right? Let's say the chat. You could understand what do you mean by the number line, basically, right? Okay, turn off the chat. We shall go to the number 9, right? Number 9. Hurry. Okay, let's go to the number 9. Let's go to the number 9. Hurry. Hurry. Let's see, Budhe. Arrange the numbers marked on the number line above, below, in ascending order. All right. Hurry, Haga. You can understand there are some numbers are marked on a number line. There is a number line here. So particular numbers are marked on the number line. So you have to write the numbers in ascending order. හරි මෙහෙම කරන්න. In your, then we are sending the tutorial. Then we have already sent the tutorial to your home. My prior students, my පරණ ළමයි ගාව මේ වෙනකොට මේ ටියුට් එක අතේ තියෙනවා. This is the tutorial that is regarded for the month of March actually. But my new students, they do not have the tutorial, but it's okay. We have sent you the PDF. Just take a printout of the PDF for the March tute, right? But Pudha, we will send you the tutorial for the April month, right? From next Monday onwards. I will let you know everything regarding our class little bit after, right? After we learn something today, right? Meanwhile, I am doing the seminar. I will explain everything regarding our class, right? Okay. So arrange the numbers. Then here, if you do not have the tute, but it's okay. If you have the tute, oh, that's fine. Or tibbat natat. The notebook again, just write number 9 and write just only the answer. You already have the tute with you now. Write only the answer. So here you can understand I have to write all the numbers marked in the straight line, a number line in ascending order. So what is the minimum value? -3, then -1, then +1, then +3, then +6. So I have written all the values marked on the number line in ascending order. Turn on the chat. Can you understand this? So I have written all the numbers in ascending order. Okay, turn off the chat. Let me show you the tutorial and the first term test model paper that I'm sending to you in the month of April. Right, let me show that. Okay, I will explain everything regarding our class a little bit later. Right, we shall go to the 9th question. Right, we are in the number line, lesson number line. Let's go to the 9th question. Right, let's go to the 9th question. Okay, so you have to write the question number. Answer. You don't need to write the question, right? Question number 9, I have done it. We shall go to the question number 10. Right, okay. So question number 10, write the numbers denoted by the each letter in the number line. Okay, for this question, put number 10 and draw the number line. And what are the numbers denoted by the A? So here you can understand it is -8, right? Here it is -4. Now do it by yourself. Do it by yourself. Give 1 minute to do this. So what is the number denoted by the A? It is minus 8. What about B? It is minus 4. What about C? It is minus 2. What about D? It is plus 4. What about E? It is plus 10. What about F? It is 0. Right? Number 10. Right. Write the numbers denoted by the each letter of the number line. We shall go to the number 11, Puta. We shall go to the number 11. 11 කියන එක මේ ඒක there was a mistake. හරි printing mistake. 11 කියලා question එකක් නැහැ. Number 12 තියෙන ඊළඟට. හරි පුතේ බලාගන්න. Write all the multiples of 3 between 0 and 20. So what do you mean by multiples? The multiples of 3. Okay, just tell me what are the multiples of 3? Then first multiple of 3 is 3 into 1. The first multiple of 3 is 3 into 1. What is that? 3. The second multiple of 3 is 3 is to 2, 6. Third multiple is 3 into 3, 9. Then 3 into 4, 12. Then 3 into 5, 15. Then 3 into 6, 18. Then 3 into 7, 21. Right? But they are asking in between 0 and 20. And 20 වලට වඩා අඩු වෙන්න බෑ. එහෙනම් මෙන්න මේවා තමයි වෙන්නේ. So you can understand 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 and 18. So they are the multiples of, sorry, they are the multiples of 3 between 0 and 20. Turn on the chat, go to the board. Can you understand, Puti? Can you understand? All right. Turn off the chat. Let me explain about turn off the chat. Okay. So let me explain about our classes for all the newbies. So this is our timetable. Let me show that. This is our timetable. Puta, you can understand our timetable is. Hurry. Wait, Puta. I'll let me explain about the classes a little bit after. Okay. We shall do some questions. Okay, let's go to the 13th question. Write the numbers shown on above number line. Right. Okay. Hurry. Right. Puta, here. Show the numbers above on a number line, right? Show the numbers shown above on a number line. Hurry. Then mean numbers number line denote කරන්න. Just denote these numbers on this number line. Denote these numbers on this number line. Three, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So I have demonstrated above numbers on a number line, right? We shall go to the 14th question. We shall go to the 14th question. Write the numbers shown above shown in number line. Shown in ascending order. Above do it by yourself. Do it by yourself. Write the numbers shown in number line in shown in ascending order. I mean number line nige show kala thina numbers ascending order ekata liya. Okay, what is the first plus 5? Then මේවල් ප්‍රශ්න ලියලා ඉන්න එපා. Just write the 14. හරි. මේක number line එක අඳින්න ඕනෙත් නැහැ. උත්තර ලියුණා ඇති. Plus 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20 and plus 25. Okay. So then let me explain about our classes. So this is the timetable for our class. So you can see our live class is on Friday 5:20 p.m. If you miss any live classes, you can come to our repeat class on Monday 7 p.m. Even though if you miss the repeat class, you can watch class recordings from my website isharamadushan.lk if you have paid the class fee. Okay, let me show the tutorial package that I am sending to your home on the month of April. So you can see the tut number 4 and model first term test paper. First term model paper and the first tut number 4 I will be sending to your home, right? Right, we are starting to send the tutorials for the month of April from this January, this Monday. Okay, from this Monday. Right. Okay. So here you can understand there are so many features in our class. Right. If you miss any live classes, you can always, anytime you can log into my website. You will have a personal account for you. Right. isharamadushan.lk. Right. You have so many options here. If you go to your grade, you can watch you can watch all the class recordings that is regarded for the month that you have paid the class fee anytime, right? And there are so many options here. And also, for example, if you are a new student, if you're thinking about the first, how I can cover up the second lesson, third unit, right? If you want to watch the prior units, you can watch it, right? You can purchase that and watch it. But there are so many options in my website, right? So you can understand there are so many things. And also there is a package tracking option here as well. So you can understand our classes consist of so many options, right? So you can understand, right? So our class fee is just only 1,500 rupees. We will be sending all the tuts, all the papers that is regarded for the particular month to your doorstep. Right? ඔයාලගේ ගෙදරටම අපි ඔයාලගේ නිබන්ධන ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍ර හැම එකක්ම හැම මාසෙකදීම නොමිලේ වන. හරි. So how to join my classes? Now I am posting a WhatsApp community group link on the chat. Make sure to join with this WhatsApp community that I am posting. හරි. මේකට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම join වෙන්න ඕන. Join that. Then we will update everything regarding our class, how to pay the class fee and everything, timetable and everything to this WhatsApp community daily. So make sure to join with the WhatsApp community group that I have posted on the chat. Right? Okay. Let's go to the 15th question. Let's go to the 15th question. Describe the numbers above in words. Okay, describe the numbers above in words. So the first one is plus 5. So we call it as plus 5. Plus 5, plus 10, plus 15, plus 15, plus 20 plus 25. Okay, let's go to the 16th question. Why are not arrow drawn on both the sides of a number line? පුතේ number line එක arrow එක draw කරන්නේ හැම වෙලේම plus පැත්තට විතරයි දන්නේ. It's a rule. In a number line, we normally, right, draw the arrow just only for the plus side. හරි. හරි. අගය වැඩි වෙන දිශාවට විතරයි අපි ඒක යොදන්නේ. හරි. So we, for the number 16, just write මෙහෙම ලස්සන ලියාගමු. Right. Arrow is drawn only for arrow in a number line. Arrow in a number line is drawn only for plus side. Right on. Arrow in a number line is drawn only for plus side. Okay, let's go to the 17th question. Write all the numbers marked on the number line in ascending order. In මාල්ට වෙලාව දෙන්න පොඩක් කරන්න. Then the 18th question. Give them 2 minutes to do this. 2 minutes. Okay, Buddha, write all the numbers marked on the number line in ascending order. So write the number 17, write the answers because you already have the tweet with you. Right, all the numbers marked on the number line in ascending order. So what is the minimum value? It is -4. Then it is -2. Then it is 0. Then it is +2. Then it is +4. Turn on the chat. Can you understand? Okay, let me know if you have any problems. Put problem on the chat. If you have any problems, then I can turn on the mic for you, right? H.V. Dagan. Yeah, it's very easy. You can understand, right? In the month, what the month of Buddha? In the month of April, we will be having some extra classes as well. So month of April is very important, right? I will let you know about the extra classes as well. All right. In the first week, we shall do some extra classes. Palatan. Right. Tisumi, turn off the chat. Tisumi. Akisha, don't worry. We will do the term test paper as well before that. Tisumi, what's the problem, Tisumi?
සර් මම අදාව රෙකෝඩින් ටික දෙනවද?
මගේ පුතාට මොනවද ඕනේ?
රෙකෝඩින් ටික
recordings ටික දෙනවා. මොනවද පුතාට recordings ටික ඕනේ කියන්නේ පරණ පාඩම් වලද? දැන් අද අලුත් පාඩමනේ ස්ටාර්ට් කරේ. මෙතනින් එහාට ඔයාට අල්ලගෙන යන්න පුළුවන් නේද පුතේ? තිසුමි තිසුමි කතා කරන්නකෝ බය වෙන්න එපා. කතා කරන්න තිසුමි. දුව turn on the mic. Tisumi, turn on the mic and talk with me. Don't worry. දුව
සර් පන්ති ෆීස් ගෙවන්නේ කොහොමද?
අපි ඒක දානවා අර WhatsApp community එකේ දුව ඉන්නව නේද?
ඔව්.
අපි ඒකට විස්තර දාන්නම්. හරිද? පුතා කොහෙද කතා කරන්න බය වෙන්න එපා මාත් එක්ක. කියනවා කොහෙද?
වාදුවේ.
වාද්දුවේ. පුතා ඉංග්‍රීසි මීඩියම්ද කරන්නේ?
ඔව්.
එතකොට පුතේ ස්ට්‍රේට් ලයින් කියන පාඩම ඉස්කෝලේදී කරාද? ඒ කියන්නේ මේ යුනිට් එක කරාද ඉස්කෝලේදී?
තාම නෑ දැන් යන්නේ කාලය පාඩම.
හරි. එතකොට පුතා ස්ට්‍රේට් ලයින් කියන පාඩමේ ඉඳලා ඉස්සරහට අල්ලගෙන යන්න වැඩේ. හරිද? ඔයා ලිව්වද දැන් අද මම කරපුවා ලිව්වද?
ඔව් සර්.
ඔයාට තේරෙනවද මම උගන්වන්නේ ඒවා?
ඔව්.
එතනින් එහාට අල්ලගෙන යන්න ඔයාට මං ටියුට් එක සවුන්ඩට එවන්නම් ගෙදරටම. හරිද? ෆස්ට් ටර්ම් ටෙස්ට් මොඩල් පේපර් එකකුත් එවන්නම්. හාද? ඇයි බය වෙලා වගේ ඉන්නේ? හරි. Tisumi, did you do this 18th question? Did you do this 18th question, Tisumi? ඔයා මේක කරාද?
yes.
හරි. So what is the value for the p? Tell me. What is the value for the p?
-4
Yeah, -4. For q?
10
-10. Yeah. For r?
0
0. For s?
+8
Yeah. For t?
+10
Okay. For you?
+4
+4. හරි. Pute, did you receive this PDF for this tutorial? මේ ටියුට් එකේ PDF එක හම්බුණාද?
ඔව් සර්.
පුතේ?
ඔව් සර්.
ඒක print out එකක් ගන්න. මොකද ඔයා මේ පාඩම තියෙන්නේ for the month of March ටියුට් එකේ. ඒ කියන්නේ ටියුට් number 3 වල. ඒක විතරක් print out එකක් ගන්න. හරිද? එතනින් එහාට ඔයාලට හැම කලෙක්ට් කරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන් ටියුට්ස් ටික ලස්සනට. හරිද? තිසුමි. Okay කියන්නේ. තිසුමි. තිසුමි අයින් කරගමු අපි. Okay, let's go to the 19th question. 19th question. Okay. You have to do this. Mark these following numbers on number line. So you have to draw the number line. You have to draw the number line and you have to mark these numbers on the number line. For example, let me do the first one. So the -2 you have to mark here and +3 you have to mark here. Likewise, just do this, right? Give them like a few minutes. Now to keep back then for the 19th question. Okay, let's do that. It's very easy, no, Nobita. Right, so minus 4, I can denote here. So plus 2 here. And 0 here. Minus 3 here. Minus 5 here. And minus 4 here. Plus 4. Plus 3. And plus 5 here. And minus 7 here. And minus 4 here. Right, it is very easy question. Let's go to the 20th question. Let's go to the 20th question. Let's go to the 20th question. Write the numbers denoted in the number. Do it. Let's do it with it. Hurry, Karan Bran. Then make an wallet AC. Hurry. You can just write the number 20 and put number 1, number 2, number 3 and write the answers. So what is the number denoted here? So you can understand it is minus 2. What is the number denoted here? It is minus 4 and 0. And what is the number denoted here? It is -1 and +4, right? +4, right? So 21, let's go to the 21. Let's go to the 21, right? Let's go to the 21. පුතේ මේ starting point එක තියෙන්නේ. I told you the 0 is the starting point of the number line. There is another name. අපි ඒකට initial point එක කියලාත් කියනවා. starting point එකට initial කියන වචනේ පාවිච්චි කරනවා අපි. starting point, initial point. හරි. So write down the starting point. මෙතන 0 මේක mark කරගන්න number line එකක් ඇඳලා. So this is initial point. The starting point 0 can be called as the හරි initial point කියලාත් ලියන්න. Initial point කියලාත් ලියන්න. හරි. පුතා, listen to me very carefully. Listen to me very carefully. So here, if I say you something like this, can you understand me? බලන්න. Initial point එකේ ඉඳලා -5 ට තියෙන distance එකම නේද? Initial point එකේ ඉඳලා +5 ට තියෙන්නේ. Initial point එකේ ඉඳලා -10 ට තියෙන distance එක නේද? Initial point එකේ ඉඳලා +10 ට තියෙන්නේ. Can you understand that? Turn on the chat. Can you understand what do you mean by that? ඔන්න දැන් initial point එක 0. ඔය 0 වල ඉඳලා -20 ට තියෙන distance එක නේද? 0 වල ඉඳලා +20 ට තියෙන්නේ. I'm just talking about the distance පුතේ. Distance එක ගැන මේ කතා කරන්නේ. Because this the distance between the consecutive number is same නේ. Can you understand that? Turn off the chat, turn off the chat. In 19th question, there was a problem. Was there a problem? -7, -4, +4, +3, +5, -5, -4, 0, -3, -4, +2. Asha, Ayush, in the 5th question, which one? 19, there are no any 5th. Here. 4, 3, 5. Okay. Okay. All right. So draw this. So this is the initial point. All right. Then make the තේරුම් ගන්න. දැන් 0 වල ඉඳලා -5 ට තියෙන distance එක තමයි 0 ඉඳලා +5 ට තියෙන්නේ. Right. So you have to understand that. Right. So if I go to the number 22, right, underline the numbers furthest from the initial point. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ initial point එකේ ඉඳලා distance එක වැඩිම number එක underline කරන්න. හරිද? දැන් මේකෙදි මේ -3 -5. දැන් මේ බලන්න -3 ට වඩා -5 distance එක වැඩි. Can you understand what I'm saying? Initial point එකේ ඉඳලා -5 ට තියෙන distance එක -3 ට තියෙන distance එකට වඩා වැඩි. හරි. So what about here? +10 +8. So initial point එකේ ඉඳලා 10 ට තියෙන distance එක 8 ට තියෙන distance එකට වඩා වැඩි. So this is the answer. -7 +6. ඉතින් ඔයාලට තේරෙනවනේ පුතේ 0 වල ඉඳලා -7 ට තියෙන distance එකමයි 0 වල ඉඳලා +7 ට තියෙන්නේ. හරිද? ඒ කියන්නේ ඇත්තටම distance එක 7. මේකේ distance එක 6. හරි. එතන මෙන්න මේක තමයි furthest ම ඉන්නේ. Initial point එකේ ඉඳලා. Turn on the chat. Can you understand what I'm saying? මේ දෙන්න compare කරපුවාම furthest ඉන්නේ මෙහා කියලා තේරෙනවද? I'm just talking about the distance, Chuti. Chuti, I'm just talking about the distance from the initial point. Nice. Turn off the chat. -12 +15. It doesn't matter whether it is minus or plus. I'm just talking about the distance from the initial point. Right. So number එකෙන් value එකෙන් වැඩි කවුද 15? So this is the furthest point. 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 Right. Complete this. Complete this. Right. This is the furthest point. This is the furthest point. Right. This is the furthest point. Right. This is the furthest point. Right. This is the furthest point. without considering about the minus or plus. You have to underline the maximum value නේ. ඒක තේරෙන්න ඕනේ චූටි. Concepts in mathematics. We call this as the conceptual learning. I know you are very small chuti babalas. Okay. Even though you are chuti babalas, you have to learn mathematics in a conceptual way. Concept එකකට ඉගෙන ගන්න ඕන. කටපාඩම් කරලා මේවා ඉගෙනගෙන හරියන්නේ නැහැ. Concepts. We have to use our brain. චුටි small brain එක පාවිච්චි කරන්න. Furthest point එක අහන්න. Raise hand කරපුවා බා. Do you have any problems, චුටි? Vimandi, do you have any problems, Vimandi? Vimandi, Vihara, Dinadi. Turn on the mic. Dinadi කියන්න. Dinadi Sandalika. Sodila. Yeah, Dinadi. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you have any problems now? Do you have any problems with Dinadi? Sudila. Sudila. Okay, let's go to the 23rd. Make a උත්තර. Okay, let's go to the 23rd. 23rd. Find the number equidistance from 0 to the following number. Can you understand පුතේ දැන් -7 ට තියෙන distance එකම තමයි 0 වල ඉඳලා +10 +7 ට තියෙන්නේ. And so here should be +7. Alright, complete this. It should be here -20 +18 +23 -12 +19. Let's go to the 24th question. Okay, do this by yourself right now. Hari, ahagan. Oh, nahagan. Kila dinna. Write 3 numbers greater than +1. Then පුතේ +1 ට වැඩිය විශාල සංඛ්‍යා. දැන් +1 ඉන්නේ මෙතන. එයාට වඩා greater than +1. The numbers greater than now. +1 means +2, +3, +4, +5, +6, +7, +8. ඔහොම යනවා. They're asking just only 3 numbers. So 2, 3, 4. Write three numbers smaller than plus 1. Smaller than plus 1. 0, minus 1, minus 2, right? And it goes. How do you know? Right. So number 24. Number 24. Right. Note down this. Huh? So I know there are some new students and the parents of new students are there. The special thing is these are little students, no? I know these are very little students. But we need to construct එකලොන් අපි build කරන්න ඕනේ මුල ඉඳලා conceptual learning වලට mathematics ඉගෙන ගන්නකොට කියන්නේ සංකල්ප ගණිතයේ තියෙන සංකල්ප concepts ඒ concepts විදිහට උගන්වන්න දැම්ම ඉඳලා පුරුදු කරන්න ඕනේ කටපාඩම් ක්‍රමයක් නැතුව ළමයින්ට conceptual learning පුරුදු කරන්න ඕනේ නිකන් චූටි බබාලා කියලා අන්නේ කුක්කු පැටියෝ කියලා හුරතල් කර කර ඉඳලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ හුරතල් කරන්න ඕනේ චූටි බබාලානේ ඒ කියන්නේ හුරතල් කරලම හරියන්නේ නැහැ මෙයාලට මේ mathematical concepts වලට අපි approach we should give the approach for the mathematical concepts from very young age හරි so parents should understand this the parents should be wise so I am here to build your children so let me do that in my way I will do it I have a plan for it right. My all tutors are organized they are well planned right. Each and every tutorial at the end of each and every tutorial there is a special tut with the answers right everything is there for example for the newbies let me show the tutorial so here you can understand this type of a quality tutorial is I will send to your home free of charge මේක normally එක ඉදරට එනවා හැම මාසෙක ගන්න දේවල් ටික සහ හැම පාඩමකටම විශේෂ නිබන්ධනය හරි මේ conceptual learning වලට මේ චූටි කියලා එහෙම බෑ අපි දැම්ම ඉඳලා ඒකට චුට පුරුදු කරනවා අපි approach කර we have to make them we have to approach them for the conceptual learning of the mathematics හරි දැන් චූටි බබාලා කියලා හුරතල් කරලා හරියන්නේ නැහැ ඒ නිසා ඒක කරන විදිහට කරන්න මට දෙන්න ඕන you should trust me and you should give me the chance to do that in my way right okay chutis we shall go to the next question okay turn on the chat can you understand this three numbers greater than plus 1 so you can understand plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 lesser than plus 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 right turn on the chat okay we shall go to the 25th question we shall go to the 25th question okay write three numbers greater than plus 7 then number line එක නැතුව හිතන්න plus 7 වලට වඩා greater numbers මොනවද turn on the chat just tell me okay just tell me three numbers greater than plus 7 turn on the chat yeah plus 8 more plus 10 yeah plus 50 yeah Tarindiri turn on the mic for the Tarindiri plus 100 yeah plus 10,000 yeah yes Tarindiri what's the problem turn off the chat tell me do
Sir, what is the class fee of month?
1,500 but each and every month you will be receiving the tutorial and papers free of charge to your home okay and
Okay,
also
sir.
you can use my website anytime turn off the chat you can use my website anytime you can watch all the class recordings that is regarded for the month that you have paid right you can use the isharamudushan.lk website and if there are repeat classes if you miss the live class you can come to the repeat class or else you can watch the all class recordings from my website can you understand what I'm saying
English medium at රුපියල් 2000ක් නෙමෙයිද?
sorry sorry yeah 2,000 rupees sorry පුතා හරිද මට ඒක අමතක වුණා for the English medium students it is 2,000 පුතා මේ අලුතෙන් නෙමෙයි නේද ආවේ
නෑ සර්.
අනේ sorry මට ඒක මේ අමතක වුණා කියන්න. පැටලුණා චුට්ටක්. සර්ට චුට්ටක් පැටලුණා. කමක් නැහැ නේ තරෙන්දී.
කමක් නෑ.
Okay. Sorry for the English medium students it is 2000 rupees. Sorry. For the Sinhala medium තමයි එහෙම වෙන්නේ. හරි.
ඕකේ සර්. තැන්ක් යූ සර්.
Yeah, I'm sorry for that. Extremely sorry for that. Extremely sorry. Okay. We shall send all the details to the WhatsApp community group when you join for that, for all the newbies. All right. Okay, let's අපි වීඩියෝ එක පොඩක් පෙන්නමු. ක්ලාස් එකේ යන ඇඩ් එක පොඩක් පෙන්නමු. Let's see this video and come back to the class, okay? Let me show this video to you and come back to the class.
ඇපල් මහත්තයා කොහොමද ඉතින්?
නගින්න මහත්තයා.
සාරසර්ගේ ටියුට් නේද?
ඔව් මහත්තයා.
සාරසර්ගේ ඔන්ලයින් ගණන් පන්තිය නිසා දැන් මට කිසි කරදරයක් නැහැ. ටියුට් ටික ගෙදරට වෙනවනේ. පාරේ රස්ತೆ ආදුකුත් නැහැ. එන මං ගිහලා එන්න.
හොඳයි මහත්තයා. මේ ලේන් එකේ ශාරසර්ගේ ටියුට් බෙදෙන 20 ගෙදර මිස් මේක.
හැම මාසෙම සර් ටියුට් එක ගෙදෙට්ටම යනවානේ. අනිත් එක දුවට ප්‍රශ්න අහලා ඉගෙන ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. හරියට සර් ගෙදෙට්ටම එනවා වගේ. ඒ විතරක් නෙවෙයි වෙනදා වගේ දැන් පන්ති මිස් වෙන්නෙත් නෑනේ. මිස් වුණොත් වෙබ් එකේ රෙකෝඩින් හරි බලා ගන්න පුළුවන්.
දැන් හැමෝම ඉගෙන ගන්නේ ශාරසර්ගේ ගණන් පන්තියෙන් නේද?
වාර විභාගේ ප්‍රශ්න පත්‍රයට ගෙදෙට්ටම වල සාකච්ඡා කරපු නිසා අපේ දුර ලකුණු 100න් 100යි. අනිත් එක සර් ඉංජිනේර කෙනෙක් නේ. අපිටත් ඉගෙන ගන්න ආසයි විදිහට තමයි සර් උගන්වන්නේ.
ඇත්තද මිස්? සර් පන්ති කරන්නේ මොන ශ්‍රේණි වලටද?
සර් 6 වසරේ ඉඳලා 11 වසරට යනවා. සිංහල මීඩියම්, ඉංග්‍රීසි මීඩියම් ඕනම දරුවෙකුට පන්ති කරනවා. ලංකාවේ ඕනම කෙනෙකුට සහභාගී වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. ඔන්ලයින් කරන්නේ.
අනේ ඇත්තද මිස්? දම අපේ දුවවත් ශාරසර්ගේ ඔන්ලයින් ගණන් පන්තියට දාන්න ඕනේ.
ඔව්වනේ. නිකම් පාරේ රස්ತೆ අදුවෙන්න ඕනේ නෑනේ. ඉෂාරසර්ගේ ඔන්ලයින් ගණන් පන්තියට ජොයින් වෙන්න පුළුවන්.
හරි මං එහෙනම් ගිහින් එන්නම් මිස්.
හොඳයි තැපල් මහත්තයා.
ලංකාවට ඔන්ලයින් ගණිතය ඉංජිනේරු ඉෂාර මදුෂාන් 6 ශ්‍රේණිය සිට 11 ශ්‍රේණිය දක්වා සිංහල මාධ්‍ය ඉංග්‍රීසි මාධ්‍ය අමාරුයි කියන ගණිතය ලේසිම විදියට කියලා දෙන ස්මාර්ට් ඔන්ලයින් ගණිත පන්තිය. පන්තියට සහභාගී වීමට දැන්ම පිවිසෙන්න www.isharmadushan.lk නැතහොත් තිරී දිස්වන දුරකථන අංකයට ඔබගේ නම ශ්‍රේණිය WhatsApp කරන්න. ඔබේ හීන ලස්සනට පාට කරන්න අපි
So I
සූදානම්.
can say +8, +9, +10 or whatever, +50, right? Okay, write 3 numbers is smaller than +7. +7 වල smaller, +6 වෙන්න පුළුවන්, -7 වෙන්න පුළුවන් නේ. Minus values වෙන්න පුළුවන්, +5, +0, 1, 2, any number. Right. Let's go to the next problem. Let's go to the next problem. So when we consider about our classes, actually, Pudha, normally when you if you're going for a physical class, actually, there is a cost for transportation. You have to go to the class, no? And you have to come back again to the home. Harida? So what transportation for the money. Ek cost එක ඉතුරු ඔයාලට නේ. So ටියුට්ස් ටික ඔක්කොම ගෙදරට නොමිලෙම හම්බෙනවා. ඒකට time wastage එක. Then you know when you go for a physical class you have to go on a bus or a three wheel or from your home vehicle. හරි පාරේ traffic එකත් එක්ක කොච්චර කාලයක් නාස්ති වෙනවද? Not only yours, your parents as well, no? So it is very easy for you to learn from home. හරි. Right. Let's go to the 26th question. Okay. Write 3 numbers greater than -4. එතකොට number line එක ඔලුවට ගන්න. -4 ගෙන් එහා පැත්තේ ඉන්න කට්ටිය තමයි greater. So -3, right? -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. ඔහොම ඕන තරම් numbers ලියන්න පුළුවන්. 3 numbers අහන්න කමන්නේ මම ගොඩක් ලිව්වා. Less than -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, and so on. Right, so you can understand that, right? Yep, you can understand it. Right on. Okay, let's see the 27th question. 27th question. Okay, write 3 numbers greater than -11. Write 3 numbers less than -11. Okay, just turn on the chat. Just tell me, Budhe. Hurry. Ko බලන්න answers can write 3 numbers greater than -11. Greater than -11 චොටි. ඒ කියන්නේ -11 ගෙන් දකුණු පැත්තේ ඉන්න numbers. Imagine the number line. Yeah, all plus values. Hurry. Minus values ටිකක් කියන්න බලන්න. Yes, -10 නියමයි. -9. -8. Hurry. Greater than -11. So -10, -9, -8, -7, -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So less than -11, -12, -13, -14, -15. So okay. Okay. Give the chance for the Vishwa. Vishwa, do you have any problems, Vishwa? Okay, let's say Vishwa. Vishwa Metsara Chuti. Chuti, what's the problem?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I couldn't understand the 22nd question.
Okay, let's see. 22nd question. හරි පුතේ අන්ඩර්ලයින් කියන්නේ ඉනිෂියල් පොයින්ට් එකේ ඉඳලා දුරින්ම තියෙන්නේ කවුද කියලායි මේ අන්ඩර්ලයින් කරන්න කියන්නේ. මට ඔයාලට තේරෙනවද මම කියන එක? තනවද?
Yes, sir.
එතකොට ඔයාලට තේරෙන්නේ නැද්ද -5 ට තියෙන ඩිස්ටන්ස් එක -3 ට තියෙන ඩිස්ටන්ස් එකට වඩා වැඩි කියලා? මේ තේරෙන්නේ නැහැ. තේරෙන්නේ නැද්ද? මම කියලා දෙන්නද තව? පුතේ
පොඩ්ඩක් sir.
හරි මම කියලා දෙන්නම්. දැන් ඔන්න නම්බර් ලයින් එකක් තියෙනවා. හරි. right. ඔන්න නම්බර් ලයින් එකක් තියෙනවා පුතේ. හරිද? දැන් ඔයාට පේනවද මේ බලන්න දැන් -3 මේ ඉනිෂියල් පොයින්ට් එකේ ඉඳලා -3 තියෙන ඩිස්ටන්ස් එක මේක. -5 ට තියෙන ඩිස්ටන්ස් එක මේක. So දිගින් වැඩි -5 නේ. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
දැන් +10 +8 නම් මෙයා තමයි වැඩි. මේකත් තේරෙනවනේ. දැන් මෙතනදි බලන්නකෝ. දැන් -7 දැන් 0 වල ඉඳලා -7 කියන්නේ මේකනේ. නේද?
Yes, sir.
ඒතර ඕකටම සමානයි පුතේ 0 වල ඉඳලා +7 ට තියෙන ඩිස්ටන්ස් එක නේද පුතේ?
Yes, sir.
ඒතර මේක +8 වුණා නම් මෙයා නේද furthest වෙන්නේ. හරි. දැන් මෙතන තියෙන +6 actually. හරි +6 කියන එක. ඒතර මෙන්න +6 කියන එක මීට වඩා පොඩිනේ. තේරෙනව නේද මං කියන දේ? මෙයාට සමානයි +7 ට ගියා නම්. එහෙනම් -+ කියන එක වැලියු එක හිතන්නේ නැතුව කවුද විශාල කෙනා කියන එක හිතන්න ඕන නේද? තේරෙනවනේ හරිනේ?
Yes, sir. I can understand.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome පුතා. අයින් කරගන්න. Okay. We shall go to the 28th question. Okay. We shall go to the 28th question and finish off the today's session. Alright. In the above manner, in what direction should be the smaller number lie? ඒ කියන්නේ සංඛ්‍යා කුඩා වෙන්නේ මොන පැත්තටද? Left hand or right hand side? Left hand side, right? Left hand side number line එකේ left hand side එකනේ smaller number lies in the left hand side. Correct? Right. Mavada. Okay, turn on the chat. Puthe, could you understand everything I have taught you so far? The Ugandamu sielu deval tevunadu kiyala manga ahana. Okay, we shall continue to do the works from where I have stopped on from the next week. Hari. Class eකට දිගටම join වෙන්න මේ WhatsApp community එකට ඔයගොල්ලෝ join වෙන්න turn off the chat. Okay, let me finish the class from here. Right, මම මෙතනින් class එක end කරනවා. අපි ඊළඟ දවසේ class එකත් එක්ක හම්බෙමු චෝටි. Okay.
Oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. Oh, she's hot but a psycho, so left but she's right though. At night she's screaming, I'm on my mind. She'll make you curse.